friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Anjali and today I will show you how to make this pop-up gift box for Mother's Day. When you will open the box, a trophy and a certificate will pop up. This unique gift box is really easy to make, so without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Take a cardstock of 26 into 24 cm and make the measurements as shown in the video. Draw a thin line on both sides to make a slit. Cut this slit out and score and fold all the lines. Erase all the pencil marks. Flip the card and paste some designer paper. Now glue the hinges to the side flaps to make a box. Keep this box aside for a while. For lid, take a cardstock of 20.5 into 18 cm and draw the measurements as shown. Score and fold all the lines. Now flip the card and paste two small magnets on both sides. Cover the card with some designer paper and glue the hinges to the sides. Now we get one part of the lid. Similarly, we will make another one. Now take the box and attach both parts of lid to it. Now we will make a pull strip. This pull strip will help our base to pop up. Fold both these lines in opposite directions. We will need two of these strips, so similarly make another one. For base, take a small card piece and attach both the pull strips to it. box and place the base inside it. Pass the strips through the slits on both sides. Glue both the strips to the side of lids. Take a golden card piece and cut out a shape of trophy on it. Make another one and glue all the parts together. Write your mother's name on this small piece. Cut out the alphabets and paste it on trophy. Now keep it aside for a while. We have to make a square tube for a trophy stand. Then make a certificate, roll it up and take a thin paper strip to make a band around it. Now we will assemble the box. First, we will paste the trophy stand. Then I'd cut out this sentiment and we'll paste it on front of the box. Now paste a little bow on trophy and attach the trophy to the stand. Now place these roses on both sides. This will stop the base from moving to the left or right. If you want a tutorial on these small paper roses, do let me know in the comment section below. Paste a small rose on band of certificate. Now, to hold the certificate on base, use a small piece of double-sided tape. Now, we'll make something which will hold the box together. We will need 2 of these strips. Paste metal coin or magnet on both the strips. Paste the designer paper on both the strips. Attach them to the magnet on the lids. And paste a circle on it. Now paste a metal coin or a magnet in center and paste the sentiment above it. Make an embellishment and paste it on top. Now glue 2 small magnets inside of the lid. And your pop-up gift box is ready. So let me know in the comment section how many of you are going to make this for your mother. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, share it and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.